Chanel Matthew Blase. Let's unbox and talk about it. We'll have a little discussion whilst I unbox. Obviously, I've already unboxed this for you guys because I brought it back from Europe. I wanted to talk about it really quick. So, of the collection, my thoughts, the new bags and the craze, and my thoughts. And I'd love to hear, before we get into it, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below about the new collection. Do you think it's fad? Do you think it's going to be a super craze, like anomaly craze that happened because everybody was talking about them? Or do you think it's actually something that's stick and people are going to like these bags and want these bags for a while? I'm leaning towards it's just a fad craze, but I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, okay? So, it's obviously been the topic of discussion. I posted 1,000 videos about this. You've already seen what I got, but like, obviously I went everywhere. I went crazy about this, trying to get them. Really swept up the craze. I got really obsessed with it. As you guys know, I posted like 1 billion videos about it. I kept trying to find it. I just wanted to see it. I never even got to see it in person. I just wanted to see it and try it on. I wasn't even know if I was gonna get it. I just wanted to try it on, and I couldn't even find it to try on. And it became this like obsession. I had to find it, and I never did. And I think that that's kind of died down now. And of course, once it's like all the way died down, I will get a text saying they have one available, which I'll probably still go look, and I might get just to get because it's so impossible to get. But I'm actually gonna use it. I don't know. No, I would use it. I would love a big crossbody bag. I want another big Kelly. I want one of the bigger Kellys. But anyway, okay. I've been trying to find. You guys know I've been trying to find the 2 bags that I really want. The maxi flap, big Chanel flap that's like kind of slouchy and like a more supple leather, just a leather strap, and then the big tote one that everyone has, all the celebrities have. They're both impossible to get. And you guys have seen my videos. I went all over trying to find them. I texted every SA I know. I texted the SAs in the US. I've not been able to get it. I would have done a little research beforehand because I could have reached out to my SA beforehand in Paris at the Cambon store, which is like the flagship 31 Rue Cambon store, and they probably would have been able to help me get it because I have shopped a lot there and bought a lot there. But I did it. It was kind of last minute, and I wasn't up to date on them, so I didn't even know until I wanted them. And then I just wanted them, right? It was kind of like a very, everyone has it, everyone wants it. Ooh, I want it. I just wanted to see it actually first before I actually was gonna, like, if I was gonna get it or not, because it is still Chanel. I don't know if like, you know, Chanel's Chanel, but Chanel's coming back Chanel, right? Because everyone's obsessed with it. But like, I still don't know, like, I actually would like it if it was just a craze and I was just like getting swept up in it. And also, you know, the quality and everything, price, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, went around, looked everywhere for it. I could not get it. So I ended up going to a different Chanel. The other ones that people liked were the round one and the 26, which I saw the 26 and I saw the round one, the 26 in black and then the round one in yellow. And I didn't get either of them, but they did bring out this, which I really liked, and I've been looking at this bag for a while. And they brought out this. It's becoming a long conversation, but at my store, I probably would have been able to get more than 2. Usually they limit you to 1 bag and 1 small leather good per month. Like my home store, they let me like, you know, go out of, like skip that. They brought out this one, which I hadn't seen either, but I know like I've been kind of coveting. And I think I just wanted to also like leave with something because I've been trying so hard. So, and I really like this one. I do think it's also very trendy, and I don't know how much like I'll actually use it forever, but like it's the Chanel 25 in the dark gem, which is Matthew Blase's first collection, right? And okay, it's cute. It's good. It seems like a fun, cool bag, and it's like everywhere right now, but I might get sick of it just like everyone is gonna get sick of it. It's like practical. It's got this little pocket here and a little pocket here that fit my phone easily, both my phones because I have 2. And it's got 2 pockets inside, the drawstring, and then the little pocket. The thing I'm worried about is that it's not like that secure and it's only shoulder, and I always do love a crossbody. So that's why I also got this one, which is more of a small leather good, but I have so many freaking wallet on chains, and that's I think the only small leather good bag I've ever bought. Anyway, this one's a little different. It's a little top handle. It's kind of cool, and the bigger diamond pattern, not the smaller one. Caviar and the little zip top, which is cool and different, and it has a detachable strap. Wear it crossbody, wear it shoulder, wear it with the top handle, and I can also turn this into a necklace, which you guys know I love. I use all my Chanel chains as necklaces, the detachable ones. And it fits more than you thought. You can put 2 cards in here, your phone will fit, both my phones will fit, and a wallet and stuff like that. It'll if I needed a wallet, but like my phones, and you know, it'll fit what you need. This Matthew Blase thing, like, I'm still gonna keep looking. I do wanna see it, I do wanna try it on, but I don't know if it's just a hype thing and it's gonna get over in a second, or if I'm actually gonna wanna get the bag now, because I kind of feel like I'm a little bit over it now because I tried and I couldn't get it, and I kind of like, bleh. A little bad taste in my mouth because I wasn't able to get it. Anyway, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like it? Do you want it? Do you have it? Did you get it? It's a craze. Do you think it's a fad? Do you think it's gonna keep going? Do you think people are gonna, do you think it's gonna be like forever? I like a lot of the stuff that he did. I like a lot of the stuff. I think that it's cool. I've kind of like been less of a Chanel person lately, but I think it's coming back a little bit, and I think I'm coming back into it a little bit too. But again, is it part of the craze or is it me? I don't know. I'm gonna whip out. I started whipping out some of my old Chanel bags, and I've been using them, which has been great. Like obviously, I got these two, which is great too. But we'll see. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, that's all I got. Thanks, guys. Bye.